Now, the Army's Specialist Helicopter Maintenance Unit have been out in Cyprus on exercise Lion Sun 4. Although 7 Air Assault Battalion Royal Electrical and Mechanical Engineers would rarely find themselves on the front line, it's important they keep up their soldiering skills. And as Capt has been finding out, it's a pretty demanding task.
Normally, they're the ones fixing the helicopters. This week, they've been flying in them. Over the 2-week exercise, the serials have been many and varied. With a bias towards Afghanistan, the soldiers have been tasked with beach landings, helicopter serials, insertions and compound clearances. And they're required to do all this on no more than 2 to 3 hours sleep a night.
Well, the main purpose of the exercise has been to train the soldiers. It's a junior NCO cadre, so essentially to qualify them for promotion militarily up to the rank of full corporal.
Captain Rouse pointed out that the military cannot afford to carry passengers. So while this lot may not be infantry, they want to work the soldiers hard so they're not a burden if and when they go out on patrol in theatre, where a common occurrence is a vehicle checkpoint, like the one being mocked up here.
Could I please ask just to step out the vehicle?
Other members of the battalion play the enemy and give their colleagues a pretty hard time, but it needs to be as tough as it would be for real.
Can you refrain from having contact, please?
In no time at all, and just as I'm setting up for a piece to camera, it all kicks off. Afterwards, the group are given a debrief on how they performed.
Obviously there was only 5 in the patrol to start with. Then we got up there, set up the VCP, then we got 2 people come down on foot, then a vehicle with 3 people in as well. So it's quite demanding because the numbers were even on either side.
You sort of go out there, you get yourself in the mindset that it is real as such, so you do take it seriously. But when they start messing around, I mean, it's like a sly joke now and again.
Despite some diffident on-the-spot decision-making, the soldiers passed the test. The final day consists of a raid on an Afghan village. At any one time, there are more than 20 technicians from this unit looking after Apache and Lynx helicopters in Afghanistan. And at least now with this training, they'll be ready for the unexpected. Capt. Forces News, Radio Sond.